So you guys remember when I said I got rid of the last of the cerium gray that I absolutely hate on this X3 when I installed those carbon fiber boomerangs? Well, I was kind of lying. What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. So if you guys watched my last video about the X3 where I installed the paint match side reflectors, this is actually that same day. So although it's a different video for you guys, it is the same day for me, the same freezing day, but that's all right. We're still gonna push through and get rid of the last of the cerium gray for good this time. So although the boomerang was the last big piece, I would say, of cerium gray on this X3, there are still a few more pieces. So if you guys don't know already, the badges on the back of this X3 M40 unfortunately come in that really ugly cerium gray. That is of course the case for the M40 badge as well as the X3 badge, so we do have two to do today. Now I was debating just debadging this thing because that would be the easiest, obviously. I kind of decided against that. I did it once on my 435i and I kind of regretted it after I did it, so this time around I'm gonna keep the badges. I was also debating wrapping them, but instead what I decided to do was just get gloss black replacements. So I'm hoping it's gonna be pretty easy and simple because I can barely feel my hands at this point. I've been out here for a few hours, so I'm hoping this doesn't take too long. So with that said, guys, here are the new badges for the X3. So we have the M40i badge right over here, and then we also have the X3 badge. Now like I said, guys, these are in gloss black and they look really good. As you can tell, they're a little more intricate, so even if you were to try to wrap your original ones, I don't think they're gonna look as good as these ones do, but I'm sure if you're a professional you can probably make it work. I, however, am not, so I'm gonna take the easy route and install these ones. Now I'm hoping this is gonna be pretty easy. I think all I have to do is just peel off the back of these new badges, and then once I have these old ones off, I can basically use this here to line them up. I'm hoping it's that easy. Again, guys, I'm honestly freezing at this point, so I'm not really gonna make a whole DIY. I'm just gonna film me installing them really, and then I'm gonna show you guys the finished product. Again, it is a super minor thing, but I really do think it's gonna make a good difference on this car. Them being gloss black is gonna match the rest of the theme of this X3, which is pretty much white, black, and some blue, which sounds like a punchline to a really bad joke. But yeah, anyways, guys, with that said, we're gonna get to installing these things. Hopefully we can knock them out quickly, and yeah, let's get to it. Alright guys, it's officially done. I finished the M40i badge and I also finished the X3 badge. Now that was a lot more annoying than I thought, and it only got colder outside, which made it even more miserable. I was literally using my heat gun as a space heater as well. But yeah guys, so I tried to take off as much of the adhesive from the old badges, but as you guys are able to tell, I was kind of having some difficulty. So what I ended up doing was just taking off as much as I possibly can, at least to the point where it was flat and wasn't going to interfere with the new badges. Now I'm not saying that was the proper way to do it. Like I said, I was probably going to do it in a ghetto way, but regardless though, we got it done. It was actually nice because having that old like shadow of the previous badge helped me line up the new ones. So the placement on these are pretty much perfect, and honestly guys, you can't even see any of the adhesive from the old badge. Here's the M40i badge, and then also here's the X3 one. You literally can't tell that there's any adhesive left over. So yeah, not the best way to do it, but hey, we got it done. So yeah guys, I know this is a simple mod and a quick video, but I figured I'd just film it regardless. I really like the way that these turned out. I'm actually really happy I didn't just go ahead and wrap them and I got actual gloss black emblems instead. A nice touch on the X3. So regardless though guys, we have a lot more stuff coming for this X3, bigger, more exciting mods. So if you guys want to see that, if you guys want to see the build of the X3 or any of my other cars, hit that subscribe button. Check out my merch store. I'll leave a link down in the description below. But yeah guys, with that said, this video is pretty much done, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.